trainer bench, B and J. Okay, so can you do that quickly? Now, while preparing or doing that, okay, so it should take very quickly because I would like to proceed to the more exciting portion. Applying workshop to, no? Workshop, so that you apply the concept immediately to your own financial blueprint. Gusto niyo ba yan?
Yes.
Okay, so kasi kahit sa eskwela, di ba merong lecture, merong labs, no? Lecture and laboratory. Yung family planning nga, nag-request sa akin mga estudyante ko dati, Sir, pwede bang mag-lab ng family planning? Tuturo kasi ako ng environmental science nun eh. Sabi ko, sige, ikaw muna ang model natin. Hindi rin siya pumayag. Sayang. But kidding aside, here, you have learned the concepts. Okay? Now, we would like you to see it applied to your own financial life. So, can you also proceed to distribute yung planning worksheet? The planning worksheet I'll give to you is an excerpt. May mas longer way ito, no? May mas longer way that I'll be sending in the email. Pero ito, graphical format. And along with that is a free wealth calculator. Pinakita ko sa inyo para malaman nyo kaagad how much should I invest para ma-achieve yung goals ko. No? So, our beautiful assistant is also one of our trainers in ING Singapore. No? Si Tere.
Hello.
Dalaga siya pero committed na. Taken for granted.
Taken for granted. Okay yun.
Okay, so, alright, so, finish or not finish, I'd like you to just hold on to your business review card and we'll proceed with the personal financial strategy. Ito yung, may I have your attention? This is what we will do, no? We just focus first on your cash flow and financial goal for income replacement, retirement preparation, no? And healthcare preparation. Okay? We'll send you by email the other financial planning forms. Okay, those who don't have ball pen, tingnan nyo kung susulat yung ball pen kung kailangan. You can do it again, please. Alright? Everybody has their planning worksheet. Can I have one?
Thank you.
Ikaw. You need it. Correct?
Yung.
Alright, so everybody has this. Taas nyo yung ganito nyo kung meron kayo. Hindi nyo may tataas kung wala, di ba? Okay, so everybody has. Alright, so kindly put your name and date today. No copying, please. Pagkala ng kapitbahay nyo, copy nyo, ha? No copying. So name and date today. This is the very first step towards your financial freedom. Huh? Okay, so name and date. You can bring this home. You don't submit it to me. This is for you. And I'd like you to do it now so that at least you have a guide how to do it at home. No? If you did not bring your wife today, dahil mabigat siya, Skype nyo mamaya, pakikita nyo to. Oh, darling, name, saka date, ha? Dahil tayo magsasabi. Okay, so you have it. Now, the very first thing we need to know is, ano ba ang edad nyo ngayon? Put it here. Are you 25 to 50? Put it here. Pero bang yan 50 dito? Wala naman, ano? Meron?
Meron.
Ako. Okay, so put your age now here. Okay? Alright, so how many more years would you like to save? 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years? So, tapos na kayo dito, ha? Saka to. Yes? Do I hear a yes? Tapos na yung age nyo ngayon. At saka yung ilang taon pa kayo magtatrabaho, wherever, sa Singapore or wherever. No? Sulat na, you add these two, this age, plus the number of years, that's the age of retirement that you will have. So if you're 50, you want to work for another 10 years, you'll be 60 when you retire. Or when you're 55, plus 10 years, 65. That's how to do it. Huh? Okay? 50, 10, 60. 55, 10, 65. I'm 55 today. By September. No? So how long will you save? If you say 5 years, I am 55, 60. Ganun yun. Okay? Clear? Alright. The next thing you need to calculate is your annual income times 10. Okay, kailangan na ng cellphone nyo yan. Labas nyo ang cellphone nyo. Sasangla natin dyan. Hindi, pang-calculate. Okay? How much is your annual income? Okay, to determine that, multiply nyo yung monthly that you get. Everything, no? Everything you get. If you have other sidelines, businesses, put that in, or your spouse income, combine it, then multiply that by 12, that's your annual income. Multiply it by 10, that's your annual income times 10. That's your big savings target. No factor yet of inflation. Huh? So just pure and simple target. Whether it's peso or sing, basta wag lang won o kaya ano, hindi natin alam yung exchange rate eh. So sing or peso, pwede tayo dyan. Okay? So meron na kayong annual income times 10?
Okay.
Okay? Okay ba doon? Parang nakapunot pa yung noo mo, hindi mo yata ang calculate, no? Ha? Okay na? Annual income times 10. Oh, hindi magkasya ba sa calculator? Kulang ba yung zero? Dahil ba zero? Oh, may calculator ako dito. Baka kailangan nyo. So, done? Is that done? Alright. Now, the very first thing we need to learn is there are two levels of investing I'd like to share with you today. Okay, attention please. Two levels of investing. Just two levels for today. The stocks investing, direct stocks investing, we can do that separately. Huh? But for now, I'd like you to focus on level 1 investing. You invest your hard-earned money on level 1. I want you to invest starting with level 1 so there's no risk. And that you build first the discipline, the habit of saving and investing. That's the primary goal. No? Save and invest on level 1. Level 1 for us is Kaiser 4-in-1 for 5 years of investing. Your 20% of your monthly income. So the next question you need to answer, and dito sa 20% up, so what's that monthly income? Multiply yung 20% sa monthly income, you get the amount. No? So for example, if you're earning $2,000 per month, multiply by 20%, that's 4,000. No, 400. Okay? That's the amount that you have as for level 1 investing. That's the formula. K. So if it's 2,000, 2K times 20%, that's 0.4K. $400. Okay? Clear? Now, reality check. Oh, no copying. Okay ba kayo share ito eh? Ng monthly. Monthly na net. Net of tax. So kung minsan, maliit lang naman ang tax dito, no? So you can assume whatever you receive. Okay? Clear? Any other question on that? Yes.
Yung una, 20% ng monthly income mo.
Yes.
Tapos yung pangalawa.
Yun lang yung muna. 20% of
So,
your...
labo muna itong pangalawa.
Yes. Kung this is your 20% already, actually dapat nandito. This should be the monthly income.
Okay.
The monthly income is in this line. No? And then yung 20% is the answer. Yung equals is the 20%. Okay, now, reality check. Put a number on top dun sa actual nyo. I mean, yung sa 20% yung target, what is your actual savings? Ano ang actual na nasisave nyo? Say, if your income is 2,000, your target should be about 400. Di ba? 400 sing. Now, ano ba ang actual na nasisave mo? 400 ba? 500 ba? 200 ba? O
Zero.
negative? Punta na, zero, no? Hindi negative.
Break even.
So, yun yung tanong. Reality check of how much can you really save now?
Sobrang...
How much?
Wala ka eh.
Kaya ang dali makalculate, no?
Dali, wala.
Good. I have a solution to that.
Saan nilalagay yun?
Ha?
Okay, target.
Doon sa... Di ba merong dalawang linya, yung allocate, mamaya muna natin sasagutin. Ang sinagot pa lang natin is 20% of your monthly income. Then on top of that number, you put what is the actual that you are able to save and invest. Now, anong relevance ng actual?
Yung save and invest, yun yung pondo na pinang-i-invest mo kung ano.
Yes, yung available funds mo. Actual. The actual amount that you put into whatever investments that you're putting in right now. Okay? So, for example, again, listen. Okay, do I have your attention? If your salary is, for example, 1,000, just for example purposes, what is 20% of 1,000? 200 sing. Now, itong 200 sing is the ideal target for saving and investing at 20%. Right? Now, if my actual is 300 sing, therefore I'm higher than my target. If my actual is only 50 sing versus 200, I lack 150 sing. Right? If my answer is negative 50, labas ka na lang. Hindi, joke. Negative ka. I have a solution for you. No? I still have a solution for you. That is your case. Parang may ganun yata ako.